And in the evening, you get to go to all those neat barn dances in a new mini truck. A Toyota four-wheel drive, five-speed truck, a great way to get into the rough country and back out again. Comes with all the standard features plus these options. Custom off-road kit, chrome light bar, chrome brass guard, chrome rear bumper, off-road kit, chrome special paint, gold Sprinter wheels, and California emissions.
A new truck! A Toyota four-wheel drive, five-speed long bed truck. A great way to get into the rough country and back out again. Comes with all the standard equipment plus these options. Custom off-road kit, chrome light bar, chrome brass guard, chrome rear bumper, raised white lettered off-road radial tires, chrome sport wheels, AM/FM stereo with digital display, special paint, and California emissions. It's a terrific prize worth $12,588.
A new truck!
A Toyota two-wheel drive standard bed truck comes equipped with all the standard features, including four-speed transmission, California emission, and metallic paint.
Live without her new sport truck. A Toyota 4x4 SR5 pickup truck with five-speed overdrive transmission, power steering, AM/FM multiplex stereo, and more standard features, plus California emission and chrome package. And this showcase, in which Diane and Jan will now try to convince Holly that her truck must be parked outside. A new truck! An Oriental grandfather clock and handy power tool. First, for the handyman in your home, an assortment of Black & Decker power tools, including drill, polisher, bench grinder, angle grinder, and work table. Second, from Dykstra Glass, a distinctive plate glass handcrafted grandfather clock. Gold leaf hand paintings, weight-driven West German chiming movement, and Oriental time ring from Dykstra Glass. Third, a Toyota four-wheel drive, five-speed pickup truck. Comes equipped with all the standard features, including the value package, plus metallic paint and California emission. And there they are, Bob.
A new truck! The Toyota standard bed truck. Built tough for rugged reliability, control, and comfort. Equipped with standard features like five-speed manual overdrive transmission, plus metallic paint and California emission. And a Brahma truck top. Enhances your truck's beauty. Provides versatility for camping, fishing, and four-wheeling. Low maintenance provides a lifetime of enjoyment from Brahma.
A truck! Exciting Toyota four-wheel drive deluxe sport truck. It comes equipped with all standard features, plus these options: custom wheels and tires, tilt wheel, front floor mats, cut pile carpets, chrome bumpers, grill exterior trim, power steering, cloth seat, deluxe ETR radio with 2 speakers, light and push bar, and California emission. And this showcase containing prizes designed for the do-it-yourselfer.